Hello, so today I'm going to show you my simple no foundation makeup look. Shall we start? As you can see, I have acne marks and I have one pimple on my chin. First, I'm going to apply sunscreen. Don't forget to apply sunscreen, especially if you go out during the day. If you want to achieve the matte look, this primer is super good. Bye bye oily skin. Next, I'm going to apply eyeshadow primer. I choose the anti-aging because, you know, the eyes don't lie. I'm getting old. Why must we all conceal what we think, how we feel? Not today. I'm just going to conceal my acne marks and pimple. So here comes the hardest part, but the most important part of doing makeup, drawing eyebrows. You know, sometimes it can be not symmetric. I like to play with eyeshadow colors, and I just bought this eyeshadow palette from this one brand. If you want me to show it on my next video, let me know, leave the comments below, and don't forget to like this video. When I draw the eyeliner, I like to start from the middle part to the outer part, and then the inner part of the eye to the middle part. When applying mascara, I like the natural look for my eyelashes, so usually I will just apply 2 coats. I love this Givenchy powder. It has medium to high coverage and it will give you the matte finish. It is perfect for someone who has oily skin or combination skin like me, and it doesn't break me out, so it's good. Honestly, I don't like to contour my face, so I just use the blusher and highlighter. Dior claims that this lip tattoo is transfer proof and kiss proof. Well, I think it's quite long lasting and it doesn't dry out my lips. Yeah, I love this lip tint. So here is the final look. Let me know what you think of this video, and if you have any feedback, please leave the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!